Okay, what is happening here is we are on a chat room chatting with someone I don't know who.
He
Apparently
thinks we're
from
Indian.
He thinks we're Indian. We told him we're from Madagascar and we're 25.
What the fuck is a kaka?
What the hell is that?
I don't know. I don't know.
What Hakuna Matata?
Oh, okay. I guess that's been Kali, right?
Hakuna
Matata. How do you spell that?
Hakuna.
It means we speak Bengali, whatever the fuck that is.
Hakuna Matata. Shell. Oh my god. Oh, what's he gonna say?
My baby's too loud.
Oh man, he's taking a while.
Bye bye.